Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about fetch AI now. In the basically in the transition to ASI, we've got Ocean Protocol and AGIX has formed into FET now, and those three tokens are trading under the FET ticker. So what's going on right now with the price? Well, the price hasn't really moved the way we thought it was going to for the merger, but it is attracting some whales recently, and we're going to talk about that in this video. So smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So let's see if we can figure out where things are headed. This is a pretty decent article in regards to that. So whales are welcoming fetch AI's conversion into ASI. Fetch AI's price was expected to rise ahead of July since the token merger commenced this week. It has a projected completion by mid-July, and the ASI will trade under the FET ticker during the transition time, like I mentioned. So just until things get transitioned and basically names and rebranding happens over to ASI. So with the current market cap nearing $3 billion, it has emerged as the second largest asset in the AI token market. And people are wondering, okay, well, what happened to this $7 billion valuation? Well, the prices have come down since the merger has been announced. They announced it right around the all-time high of FET, and since then the price has come down significantly. That's why the value is showing $3 billion now. That's the combined total market value of three projects put together. So that's why the difference in price, the difference in market capitalization. So FET whales noted the profit opportunity that this presented and jumped in to accumulate some more FET tokens. Addresses holding between 100,000 and 10 million FET added more than 62 million FET, worth close to $73 million. Absolutely insane. So those investors expect a price surge. Obviously, they're putting money into it, thinking that it's going to go up following the merger's completion. Optimism is not limited to whales, though. Retail investors are also sharing that as well. The sentiment has been fairly positive. There's been a few people that aren't very happy with it just because of the overall price and everything. But I mean, we got to zoom out and look at the overall market as well. The overall market has been losing. My altcoins are down big time since March. So it's not. This isn't just an ASI issue. This isn't a FET issue, an Ocean or AGIX issue. This is an overall market condition issue. So. But sentiment has been pretty decent. Fetch AI has been noting mentions across the social media platforms the last little while. There has been a ton. There's a lot of chatter about this token, and that's making me more, extremely bullish because even you guys can see the amount of views I'm getting on my Fetch AI or my ASI, whatever you want to call it, videos has been astronomical. You guys have been fantastic, and thank you so much for actually tuning into watching my videos. I really appreciate that. So yeah, the price was expected to reap bullishness arising out of the merger, but that didn't happen. The broader market cues kind of countered this and basically brought the price down. Consolidation, it could continue into the coming days as well until the merger is completed, and then the resulting bullishness will help FET break out of it eventually. We'll see that down the road. I'm expecting some up and down, like I'm always mentioning on the channel. Summers suck in crypto. That's just my opinion. We don't really see a whole lot of good movement in the summer. We'll see some fluctuations. We'll have some runs, things like that. But overall, we're probably not going to see a big jump in the market until we get into the fall, maybe even Q4, end of Q3, start of Q4 possibly. So that's basically what I'm looking at. This is an accumulation zone in my opinion, especially where FET is down so low. I'm going to buy probably if we end up hitting $1, that's my buy zone. I'm going to buy a second bag of FET just for more of a flip type. I'm going to keep I already have a good position in FET, and I'm going to keep that long term. I might do another shorter term, maybe like a 6-month, 8-month period where I'm going to hold that type of thing and just buy a second position. But I'm not there yet. I haven't done that. I will let you guys know when I do. All right, so let's jump over and check this out as well. So this is kind of what I'm looking at right now. So this is Trading View. I'm using Austin Hilton's indicator X1 algo right now. He's my boss. I get his indicator. It's awesome. I use it all the time. So I'm looking right now. This is on the 2-hour. We are getting a momentum up signal right now for FET. I'm just going to make sure that you guys can see that. See that there. So that's a momentum up indicator. So that is on the 2-hour. I'm waiting for the 4-hour to pop. See if we can get a momentum up on the 4-hour, because that's actually a pretty decent buy signal for me. I'm probably going to do a little bit of a maybe a leverage trade or something like that. For now, until it gets down to my price range. It's still only at like $1.20 right now, so we need to go down another probably 10 or 15 cents before I consider buying that second bag that I talked about. So yeah, that's just basically my plan right now. That's what I'm waiting on. And so I just want to give you guys a quick update. What's going on with the price? I know it's not what we expected, guys, but you got to remember, like, the summers in crypto are not that great. We're going through a bit of a tough time right now with Germany selling. We've got miners capitulating, basically, selling off their Bitcoin holdings because they're trying to, supplement their income, where their earnings through mining have suffered a bit since they halving. And there's a whole lot of macroeconomic factors there as well. Inflation's still a little bit high, things like that. So we haven't seen any rate cuts yet for the U.S. From the U.S. Federal Reserve, and we have been anticipating that happening. I think once that happens, guys, we are going to get a green light to go, and it's going to be, it's going to be absolutely insane. So that's what I'm waiting for. Just letting you guys know what's basically going on here. Thanks so much for tuning into my video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.